It's very modern, it's very impressive that it's all automated, and people who work here work in very positive working environments.
I visit a lot of factories in Europe, and this one is really huge.
That was my first time in an autopilot vehicle.
It's very quiet, it's silent, and it moves very smoothly. I feel safe. I like that you can see the data of the bus when you drive. You see the kilometers per hour, you see the real-life screen and also the GPS. So you really have control of all the information that you probably don't think of when you're driving a bus normally. This is fun.
Well, it was quite impressive to have a bus flooded with a lot of water. The bus, which has batteries and electric motor, and despite there was a water, the bus is good. There was no problem with the motor and the powertrain. So yeah, it's quite impressive, I may say. It shows that it can drive in different conditions, and it's safe.